Come on, one pay. Chai thi pai nong.
Chai thi nong.
Chairman of this meeting and my distinguished friends and leaders who are on the dais, our TMC Vice President, James Lingdo, and our your beloved Suchiang, the candidate Mukayo from our party, from our TMC, all my distinguished friends leading from the front in this electoral battle for the larger good of our people and larger interests of our state, all my dear leaders of the district level and booth level. I'm extremely happy to be here with you. Today, it is Sunday afternoon. I must apologize for this Saturday afternoon. I must apologize for the delay, but it was beyond our control.
Nangkong netap, Dr. Mukul sama o ikublay yung chairman o palayagan ni program. Ki nongkit kam yung ka party na do ka state yung ka district yung lang hani ha dayas churubain. Way kamtam yapi ki pajba ki yung one kapcha na batay yung ma lasting suchiang yung ka food mo kayaw constituency.
This is not the first time for me to be here with you. I have always had the privilege to be in your midst, and I thank you for calling me, for enabling me to be part of this program.
Doktor the MBU cipor na du diwasdang hadu ukut telah man kam mangaman le ong ne selea ui benyepi come to kamadaman hakini gisna modada.
Every time I have come here to meet you, to talk to you, and to remind ourselves of the kind of relationship that we have built over the years in serving our people and serving the state.
Ongule wa kat gini gisni utalai the em churubu we nadu wasdang we the eu katikti kamon kadia yang o yo em churup o pi gi pajba hakani kati wan dagawa senran chakri ye pi gi pajba lengba ka state poro kawi.
Our forefathers who love us, who love our Jaitpan Ryu, have all come together. All the leaders from Khasi Hills, leaders from Jaintia Hills, leaders from Garo Hills, they have all come together to give us this beautiful state.
Kiu heo kru hakani kanti yung TMC nadu ki winong ya kmat yung Khasi yung Jaintia yung Garo dai amlangi chitli yung upun kuga ka party yung I kamtam yung wani chakamat chuchu.
We have our state, our own state, and we have both the privilege and responsibility of electing a government which is led by our own people.
Emi ketika lat kluti walari emi hagapor ka sorkar upalai untuk du semen hanpia upalai digipatba.
Today we have our candidate who is the son of the soil, Pak Suchiang.
Mentu kate emi u candidate yang uma lasting Suchiang uto u kon kunru utri chnong tri thao.
When I first met him and when he indicated his desire to be your elected representative, I tried to find out what was in his mind, what was actually driving him to take this bold decision to be your elected representative.
Hai porwe chemu Dr. Mukul sangma yung ma lasting Suchiang porwe chemu cetai sisulong o kwa o yeng election nakani party ngarutu jingtip wada kwa lorni ai nakaliang o ni daw yi kwa o yeng election.
He talked about all of you, all our mothers and sisters who are finding it difficult to have a sustainable livelihood, who are finding it difficult to give better quality education for their loving children, and the mothers who are finding it difficult to have access to quality health care. And he talked about, the need to take care of our young men and women who are deprived of their opportunities of getting into job spaces.
Kenal you Dr. Mukul, wa yelek chanu to nakanong rim wa yur ayu gibru yang kamugaya konsuensi, kamtam ki manbe manpa ki wamen biang ka liang gekup ketai, nete ki kena kanru kamtam ki wamyo kami jam hadu wasang sot ki katni usnyau ha wayoi ha ki pelat patai kubwa.
Then I realized that he was also a government employee.
Tiba horo untuk wamanu nongkrek kam sorkar.
So I really wanted to know whether he wants to give up his job and take this particular decision, a decision which is considered as a bold decision to leave a job and be in the electoral battle.
Qua au tip chun u hauto de em hu kat akam sorkar kaman u in u ite kam du rimata ite yong u chakri u pajba.
I could see his burning desire. He wanted to serve you. He wanted to be your MLA. And that's why we decided, yes, he's the right man. He should be our candidate.
Ongu woto duho oi wayu woto hanpia duho larangai ahonu malasting suciang kamu MLA yang thi yu skiat kate larto ite kam yang ula jan boy to hi ka rensan wayi nyu kat tewa thi ki pajba ajit pi malas kam u MLA yang komo gayau.
And I have reasons to believe that you will all say that he is not only the candidate of TMC, but he is the candidate of all our beloved people of Mukul constituency.
Untuk oman le du candidate yang ke TMC, manro candidate yang ke Mukul constituency.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for being part of this journey.
Kublai cibon ni wan pi, kublai cibon hagini litin sengkian kiu da em lang pi cerubui.
In our given democracy, every 5 years we come together and put our heads together. This is a government installed by the power from outside the state of Meghalaya.
To kipru ki wan nalat ki wan senchar khadar ya ke state Meghalaya.
It is a government which has been installed by people from Delhi and people from Assam.
To kipru ki wan ra nai tan Delhi, wai kita kipru na Assam.
Do you believe what I'm saying?
Ngaji pi bai te wo ango. Ngaji pi ma.
The whole issues that confronted us in the 5 years speaks about and reflects the power who controls the government of Meghalaya.
Hagini gisan sne modadap I kamu unong mikmat ngau kamu nong mikmat Dr. Mukul Sangma dileo percangkat wayi yuk penkerja tagi bor ki wa pelaju bor hetai haneng.
We all know that we have a problem of border areas, the issues of areas of difference along Assam-Meghalaya border since the creation of our statehood.
The em kajing kaja kaput haperdi Meghalaya ke Assam, nadu oyo ia ke jala Meghalaya.
Why we could not solve this border issue with Assam?
Ilem yiu yasoi, ilem yiu penbet ya ke border Assam, hadukat ni.
Because we didn't want to give our land.
Otoi le mkuai I ke tau ke jaka ke putai yang I caki.
Because every time we sit with Assam, Assam want to take our land.
Kat te dang turi cadien kat te ke Assam bang le ki wan kini I tau yang I.
That's why government in the past never signed any MOU with Assam because we didn't agree to give our land.
Tidak nado wasdang poro emu Dr. Mukul Sangma hakabor le em sanyo ke te ke MOU hapo ke sencha Meghalaya yang I wato wam bini I tau ke Meghalaya yang I caka Assam.
But the people of the state saw it when the Home Minister of Government of India, Mr. Amit Shah, visited Shillong along with the Chief Ministers of Assam and Tripura. All BJP Chief Ministers, they told the government of Meghalaya that you should solve the border problem with Assam.
Menteri Upayung yang ke Delhi, Amit Shah, the one kelum lang kita ki BJP Chief Minister ki wana Tripura wana Assam, weda id haki ke borwa, to kini pi to penpen pi urusan, wa ke Meghalaya di kini jubor neki.
The Assam Chief Minister prepared all the MOU and asked the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to sign.
Kau dapat biang ya kata kekod usai ni kita cakap ke putar haki border area dapat biang dapat baik do Chief Minister yang ke Assam, way the sign do Chief Minister yang ke Meghalaya.
All the areas which were supposed to be taken away by Assam was already decided and MOU was only placed for the sake of placing, and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya signed on the dotted lines.
With the tibu begitu kita kiu man saja pun baik put Chief Minister yang Meghalaya the sign u claim the pet claim the you diwa penbiang chua utai Chief Minister nak Assam draft uga ketika citi itu Chief Minister yang Meghalaya yang I sign u claim the pet ibnen kendang.
We all know that our forefathers fought for our statehood because we wanted to have our government which will fight, defend the people's interests, the interests of the people of our state.
Wa hagabol lerto kaman do ongu wa lerem ketika jing sencar kadar ko ku hapo ke state ka Meghalaya yang I do perchangi u ka kat wala kat waye u da ni benta keri kecai penru yang I.
We all know our warriors, the freedom fighters who fought for the Jaitpunru to ensure that our land does not get alienated.
Kiwei yang I detipi nadu rang chua dang riet dai legi perchang kat waye kat ola yu dam yu I ka thau yang I chakiwi.
We remember and honor U Tirot Singh, U Kyang Nongba, U Pa Thogan Ningmanjan. Tibi
wato ukenang ba Tirot Singh wo patogan sangma wadi krek kam lagi nado dang chua hadokan ni le wom bin yu dai wom bin yu e da le I thau yang I chagiwi.
They have shown us that when we are given the responsibility and power, we must always fight for our people, for our Jaitpunru.
De penyugi leng ba kanuk sa yang ki klawait kari yang I wa kaman kat ole letok kat waye yu cho ya dat le untuk u kita yang I wato ile yau dia site dia chakri nementa yang upat ba hau upat ba.
We all want to elect a government which will take care of the poor, the mothers, our children, the youth who are looking for.
Iro jinom ikmati yo pe igiman bay you duk wasuk we kamta mi kena control ki kelot.
We're looking for the spaces of job available for them.
Tu I lat iluti yo ki kami jami ki.
But today, in last 5 years, we have seen a government which has surrendered all our rights to Assam.
Tangkat ni hari ni ki samsna modala de yo ni sorkar woro de ilogo chaka Assam.
Who have systematically decimated all the initiative of earlier governments which takes care of mothers and poor families.
You do pendolat igiman bay ikena kenro kelod yo tiagi chkmat ni mata I hok yang ki.
They have betrayed the youth who looked for the available job spaces and applied for the job and they were never given job.
The chukor gi kena samla kena kenro kelod we igiman bay le kamjo. Waro agi parti lain nak TMC MG hak sorkar.
Now they are coming again and asking your votes.
Kate the one mingi chapi one pan vote kinapi.
I have told you that the spirit of democracy is all about a government which is of the people, by the people, for the people.
We the kawan sin pen kemoy ki pajba man jit pi ka sorkar to ni man tau pajba wa hapi ki pajba urai.
Can we say that a government which does not listen to the people is our government?
Yi ong wa ketika sorkar kawam abi yi ong wa to ka sorkar yang I.
Can the youth of the state claim this particular incumbent government to be our government when the job that is available is completely withheld and the youth are deprived from the jobs?
Yi ong wa kap kena kenro kelot wa kam kan ni sorkar tang hai kam hijam le mi go penbiang mi go ti yi ong wa keteng to sorkar yang I.
In the last 5 years they have not bothered to look at
hai samsna modalai men pet ki tang khajik le u pet khmat chapi ki pajba
the agonies of the old, the infirm, the single mothers.
Ibru giman bay ki orang sa giman bay ki long kemi ki em kurim ki em lok de ki wacha I ben.
Thousands of jobs have not filled up because they don't want to spend the money, they don't want to allow that the money goes to the hands of the youth.
di pau hajar ki pos ki kam modelat mbin ki pelat mbin ki ki kena kenru keluat yang
They have not bothered to increase the DA of the employees because they don't want the money to go to the hands of the employees.
Mbin giu penku ketulap le oto ni dawa kwa giu ne di kita giu ne rim giu de kre aslam untuk gi bru gi wan kre tmi.
Because before 2018, when I had the privilege of being the chief minister, I have revised salary, rather we have revised the salary twice.
Hei poroman menteri rangba Dr. Mukul Sangma kamu chief minister chua ka aja khat pra dei le perchang be kat ola kat ye de penku arstot arsa ye ketulap yo kinong kre.
You remembered our old mothers, the infirms, the single mothers, and started monthly pension of 500.
Ye kirit kiriai kam iman bay kiwam yo jing pendiang ni yung nasam de penku hado ka pension le.
This incumbent government is insensitive, uncaring, and they still have the courage to come back and ask for your votes.
Kani ka sorkar ko kat ni mpet ko map ko tanggap tele dangnut ko wan pan vote nathi.
All the small businessmen and entrepreneurs, they come and tell me that they have no more business anymore because every business has been grabbed by the people who are in power.
Wan ikam yu da kwa ile business kan ni lato ikian I hele na chak ni tubor hakini ki wa em ha ka sorkar hakini susnem.
They say that now there is a new word called the high level.
Kamu jo snya pi kat ni por tu wa em kan ki sorkar api snya pi duki high level bet ki em hitai hanen.
Friends, today we have the responsibility of building the destiny of our beautiful state.
I kapte emi ke jingket kli yo open wandurga ke jela yang di wamiat kamuman kat ni.
I would like to appeal upon everyone to start a new journey and start a new chapter of glory for the state of Meghalaya.
Dr. Mukul Sangma kwa o waro wa katu usdang I de keluti ko thmi keluti ko khut do ya lang I chirup chilang.
Let us restore the past glory of our state.
Upun kui ka jela yang I hake im lang kasak lang.
Let us prevent the greedy politicians from making the state a den of gamblers.
Yu pendui ya ginong mikmat kiwa lalot kiwa perkap dia ledi cimen.
Let us form a government which will be ready to fight and defend the rights of our people, including defending our freedom for religion.
Wani cekmat yu rai bentar yang dipait ba yu dai bentar dipait ba hake im lang kasak lang wei khamtam hakaniam garukom.
Because we are seeing what is happening all across the nation, including in the state of Assam, our neighboring state.
Yoi ke jingjia chale beng ki bru hakaniam Kristan yang I khamtam hakaniga Assam wadi UP hagi social media.
But James Lingdo, our vice president, have elaborately spoken about that.
Vice President yang I ba James Lingdo dang dap iut ka jingklam chapang ka wajia ha Assam.
In democracy, we give mandate to form a government, not only to take care of our needs, but also to see that the government of the day make laws to defend the interests of our people, and also fight against any intent of any power that may, who decide to rule us with the kind of laws that is not acceptable.
Hakani kesencar kadar godawan. Untuk wani duginong mikmat uchna horo I ka an ko ye yada I ka jaj benro yang I ha ka im lang ka sak lang yang I waro.
I want to tell you that's why that our fight is not just against a candidate or any individual, but against the power and authorities.
Hakani kesencar kadar untuk ilek percaya du kandidat ilek percaya le ika mesti iwan wayi pensi ya kejela ka yang I. Kinong kami yang TMC pun kemuai piwa duka TMC kau em ka atiar yo lai perca ye kini gibi di parti QM ha ka sorkar
because all other parties are partners in their agenda.
Wara gini ki parti ku amini perkat ki duya ki haki dongi.
NPP, BJP, UDP, all other parties who are in the present government, other than TMC, which is the only opposition, are all together. And that is the power we are talking about, against whom we are waging this electoral battle.
Agani election UP ke NPP, BJP, UDP, HSPDP, wara emlangi kerja sorkar, tang haga TMC, hagani kerja UP, semen perca ye kita IQ klan bor limba I kejingnya teli.
Are you ready and willing to fight against those powers and authorities who want to make our Meghalaya a den of gambling?
Dari penkret piu perca limba ke gambling ke wanra kani sorkar okat ni.
You all heard that the government of the day wanted Meghalaya to be a den of gambling. They wanted to have all the casinos.
Wa gi penman ni ka Meghalaya kam kate ka state ko man ko kumu buram ko ile khalai.
Will we allow Meghalaya to be a den of gambling?
Ucai we ka Meghalaya ukut ki kai ka state wa khalai.
All my dear mothers,
Ro iman bay yong I.
tell us,
Ya Rabbi I.
come on. Will you allow?
Ucai pi pai ba wan kai kita na ba. Ha? Ucai pi yong man ka ni ka state yong I ka khilai. Ucai.
At least in the hands of the mothers, at least 1,000 per month come.
Wa hagani ga chapatli ke bat darai ka thong le wa man ka chia jar upoi ga hakiman bay.
A direct transfers to the accounts of the mothers at the rate of 1,000 for 12 months in a year, and in 5 years, 12,000 into 5, 60,000.
Chia jar si bunai hagachi snam the man khat arajar san snam the man gan rupa jar kani ka paisa direct no poi be ga ha account yong giman bay.
We have taken a pledge to ensure that the old age pension, the pensions for the assistance for the single mothers are increased from 500 to 1,000 per month.
Jika pension dapat kui nak chia jar cakasan hajar ni banta gitu gitu men QDE udah dep kami jar.
We have taken a pledge that we will restore the hopes of the youth and ensure that the youth have the livelihood opportunities and job opportunities made available to them.
Rai hagani ganti wo ilat igi khenro khlut yong I yok tia gi chkmat yo yo gi hok yong ki hai kami jam uruto ka banta yong ki na do osdang.
We have taken a pledge to create a job opportunities for 300,000 youth.
Uperchang yu penyo adot 1,000 mut ki kami jam ni banta khenro khlut.
And until we can give this job, we will ensure that the youth have unemployment allowance of 1,000 rupees per month.
Nalon ni te daw I ro e ka chia jar ye ki khna khenro khlut manu banai kamuman ki man bay.
Now all other political parties are talking about these programs. We card, my card, and so many other programs.
Kiwi parti ki pichni de ro de klam lagi chapang ka di ka kat ko da peni ka TMC to ka mai kat wa ka wi ka.
They have no answer but just engaging in rhetoric that these are Baki cards.
Ong igi gibru lai penthami gi chibru lai that ki ongi ini kat yo na TMC to kat u himram.
My dear friends, people who are standing before you now are not habitual liars.
Perlok perjol IP kini gino min khmat do JP khmat kim to gi udang thami hei thok hei chukor.
They are asking us also, where is the money going to come from?
Dang kali haro gi de wan umi ka te paisa ni wan poi go.
But the people who are standing before you are the people who know where the money is going to come from.
Gibru ki ye hakmat yang pi ki te do ni gibru ti pi wa ni wan poi ka paisa.
The only difference is that we want to ensure that this money which is in government treasury goes to the hands of our people and not to the pockets of the politicians.
Wah kini ke poisa ke upoi le untuk unek don ge ha ke sorkar upoi ke wah cikipat ba we kam tam untuk upoi ke je economic kemat kam ki politician.
And when we talk about all this money which will be transferred directly to the accounts of the mothers, the infants, the old, the single mothers, the youth, the unemployed, the farmers, annual requirement will be around 2,000 crores.
Wah kini kan dia wanda lai cakamat le untuk upendu lat koi kena kontrol kelut yang i upenku cucu ko ya kekam kejam hari ni kan dia wan.
And these 2,000 crores will go to the hands of the mothers, the youth, the poor.
Wei kau demang tengkai kan dia arhajar crore le ulai ko cuwaduk uwasuk. Wei kam tam cikiman bay le.
We don't want these 2,000 crore to be looted by those greedy people. That's why please change the government.
Mkuai wa kaniga hajar crore u pendu ka cepi yo him de gini ginong mi kmat o kat ni te daw hakmat yang pi kerpa do u mila i kaniga sorkar u wan bingo sachisir.
We will dismantle the so-called high-level system
Daw penwiariga kate ka bentau onggi ka high level
and open up opportunities for everyone.
u elat i benta yawaro salamsa.
Let us be part of this great story that we want to create in the next 5 years.
Wan gi perlok perjor wan lang hagini ki kentiu wan ni benta yu pencie yu penmiat dori hagini ka sansnem wan.
The story of restoring the glory of this beautiful state and restoring the hopes and aspirations of our people and fulfilling them.
Tau emi ke jingkit kli wo penman penmiat dor ya ke jelain i waro dei wo pen yesuk penyesan perdiong i.
We will be forming government, don't have doubt about this.
Ham tin sar pai ba ham atatin ke sorkar daw chna ke TMC.
In Garo Hills, out of 24 seats, we are already ahead in 18 seats.
Garo Hills arpuso si do em khat prasit de job lupa.
And in the remaining 6 seats, in 2 seats, we are making up and we are almost there.
Hakitai kisi kiwataman dari perchangi ikat wi ikat ula yo poi biang cakatong kaman le.
They have become so nervous, they have started spending money, throwing money left and right, left and right.
The tin sarge hadu kate wada arta tin gi kiwa percha dari pakot paisa gi chai ni chai tai kat wi yo pendam ga ni parti yang i.
The same thing is happening in Jaijes and Khasi is that all these people have become so nervous, they have started throwing money.
Kewajia le tepuk ke Khasi wa Jaintia area wa da pakot paisa gi kat wala yo pendam ya ka TMC upoi hakapor.
All this money had not come from heaven, it is all the people's money.
Kini paisa mem poi kan beneng kini paisa to ka yang pi ki ba.
So I know and you know what we should do.
Ngati ba pi le ti you le gat tu.
Thank you, friends. I think my time has come. I'm being reminded about the chopper.
Perlok dato porlai the avenue perlok yang doktor do penkemu dato porlai ka chopper.
We want to form the government and be part of the great story. Will you?
I do chaka sorkar ko ai pi. Ka TMC do chaka sorkar ko ai pi.
Let us stand up then. Let us stand up. Let us stand up. Let us stand up.
Lang pai ba oro.
Let us stand up. Let us rebuild our state. Let us be part of this great story. Long live Meghalaya. Long live. Long live Meghalaya. Long live Meghalaya. Kule Sibun. Kule.
3 seats out of 7. 3 seats out of 7. Sure, 100%.
So, thank you, sir. Time, sir. So, kiperlok berjor. Kan wadang ya, buat lang pinay bertawang lang, sir. Ikan jelas seperti yang iwar.